BTC USD 1-hour technical analysis as of May 4, 2025. Price $95,187.17. Trend short-term bearish, long-term bullish. 1. Price action and trend context. BTC USD is currently trading below the cluster of short-term exponential moving averages, EMAs, suggesting weakening bullish momentum. The price has begun forming lower highs and lower lows, indicative of a developing short-term downtrend. However, price remains above the 200-period EMA, 94,081.89, implying that the broader trend remains bullish, and this move may represent a retracement rather than a reversal. 2 key indicators. Relative Strength Index, RSI 14, currently at 38.48, signaling bearish momentum with the possibility of entering oversold conditions if it drops below 30. A bounce near the 30 to 35 RSI range would be expected in a strong market. EMA and adaptive moving averages. 21 EMA 96,164.63 and 50 adaptive MA 96,182.92 are now above price, reinforcing the bearish short-term bias. The 200 EMA 94,801.89 continues to slope upward, providing dynamic support and maintaining the long-term uptrend. 3 key technical levels. Level type price. Immediate resistance $96,100, $96,400, EMA cluster. Immediate support 94,800, 200 EMA. Breakdown level 94,500 Short-term target $94,000. Reversal threshold $96,500. Needs strong volume close above. 4. Outlook and strategy. Short-term bias bearish below 96,100. A sustained rejection from the EMA cluster combined with a weak RSI supports a continuation to the downside. Confirmation of breakdown would occur if price closes below $94,800 on strong volume. Trade consideration if actively trading. Short entry below $95,500. Stop loss above $96,400. Target 1, $94,800. Target 2, $94,000. Risk level moderate.